Okay, we're going to replace the tie rods on this tie rod end, and inspecting it is like just like move it and tell that it's like loose actually. It's like a clunking noise, which means that this ball joint is bad, and there's like too much grease in here. This coming from. This is coming from the ball joint in here. I'm going to replace both sides. So first I'm gonna take out that nut over there and take out the bolt over here, and then count the number of turns. Okay, loosening the nut, loosening the nut out. We should do it. Okay, need to get this one. So this bolt is like pretty loose, and it would like turn along with the impact when I try to loosen it out. So I have to jack it up, put pressure on it so that the bolt will stay put, and then I could take out that nut. But looks like it's still loose though. Okay, okay, there it goes. Torque. Yeah, just apply a floor jack in there, down there, and it should loosen out. Well, I was surprised how loose this is. See this one? So this is pretty loose, and I just need to count how many turns so that it will be close to alignment. Okay, so that's 1. Oh, wrong way. Count. So this is pretty loose. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 16 turns. And this is the old one, this is the new one. Comes with the locking nut too. And this is, yeah, the ball joint on this one is really bad. Yep. Compared to this one. Well, I'm gonna put it back. Let's see if I. Yeah, the inner tie rod is still good. It's not like making any clunking noise. Yeah, I think it's still better. Okay. Okay, 16 turns back in and tightening the nut. I'm not going to really tighten it because I'm still going to do an alignment on this. Okay, so this one doesn't have any sound at all. Yep, I cannot feel any clunk. This one is KRW. Yep, it's a Chinese brand, usually a cheap one. So, yep, they don't last long. The boot lasts a while, but the ball joint so that I could use the impact. Otherwise you'll have a hard time loosening this bolt. This one I have to loosen it going clockwise. Yep, so it's loose now. And I'm going to mark this one and then count the number of turns after I pull this out using number 18. Put that in. turns. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's only 14 and a half. Yeah. Wow. This ball joint is toast. Yeah, I think it ran out of grease. Tie rod is loose, but the inner tie rod is worse on this end, but it's not clunking though. Yeah, it's still okay. Yeah, I'll probably tackle this next time. But yeah, the outer tie rod is definitely needs to be replaced. Okay, passenger side, driver's side is now in place. I'll just do an alignment for this.